Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to speed up your computer's network connection easily. As you can see, I just tested the network and got about 360 megabits per second. This is not the figure I'm looking for with my current internet plan. I need to speed it up. Open Control Panel. Select View by Large Icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the network connection you are using and select Properties. Select Configure. Switch to the Advanced tab. Select Speed and Duplex. Set the value to 1 gigabit per second full duplex, or the speed supported by your network. Switch to Interrupt Moderation and select Disabled. Switch to Flow Control and select Disabled. Click OK. Right-click again and select Properties. Double-click on IPv4. Tick the second box below. Enter DNS 1111 and 1001. Continue with IPv6. Tick the second box below. Enter the DNS as shown on the screen. Next, I will remove the Windows bandwidth limit. Open Pedit. Select Administrative Templates. Network. QoS Packet Scheduler. Navigate to Limit Reservable Bandwidth and open it. Select Enabled. Set bandwidth limit to 0%. Apply OK. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the command as shown on the screen. After typing the command, restart your computer. Next, I will optimize packet delivery. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and enter the pre-prepared commands, which you can find in the description and comments section below. The command has been executed successfully. Now, open Windows Update and pause updates. Next, for the Registry Tweak part, press the Windows or key combination. Type Regedit. Navigate to the path shown on the screen. Right-click on the empty space on the right, select New, and then choose DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it TCP 1323 OPTS. Create another and name it TCP No Delay. Double-click on it and change the value data to 1 for both files. That's it. Now I'll go ahead and test the network again. As you can see, the test results have increased significantly compared to the beginning, so it was a success. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Have a great day.